Enid. Enid.
How do you know he's recording?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm not doing anything.
You was.
Of course I was.
Are you doing our school documentary?
Yup. This is a day Jalen.
Can I do that?
This is Jalen. This is a day Jalen forgot his fucking wet phone.
This is a regular day. You should be putting away during classes.
Try to open your locker again, Jalen. Come on, it's that way. That way, come on, Jalen. Let me see that walking.
Because his brain is too little. He don't know how to function right. Because he whack his hub. He got to open the locker. He got 2 lockers, one over here and in the gym. Sorry, why
You can still hear it. Oh shoot.
Yeah. 18:36:45. That's the way we ride.
Did you get your new schedule?
He don't even know.
They don't give you a new the combination.
They do actually. How do you sound right now? How do you sound? They do give it to him. How do you sound?
No, they don't give it on the
sound?
paper.
Yeah, they do. How do you sound?
They didn't give it
How
to
do you
us.
sound? Well, you dumb as hell.
Stop talking to me. Dang.
This hurts.
Open up, open sesame.
Sure is that one?
Oh shit, that was tough. What was the number?
46.
What's the number?
Are you sure it's 46?
Who said that? Hi, Laser.
Yo, look. You're right here. I'm right here. He's right here.
Eli.
He is.
Eli.
It's the beginning of the school year. Hello. Hurry up. Hello. Cause we got money like that. We got money like that. It's like, oh. I'm just playing. What? What are you doing? What?
What are you doing?
We come from Africa. We come. You guys are black people.